How to enable or disable edge lighting from your Samsung Galaxy A56. Simply open your setting and press on notification, then notification pop-up style, then you can see edge lighting style. Select this one. Now you can see a lot of option. For example, this one, you can see the lighting. You can also customize your color as well, and in advanced setting you can see low transparent or high transparent, or you can change your direction as well, like that. And one thing, if you don't see this option, like if your phone showing like that, no working, then simply go back to your accessibility, vision enhancement, then under vision enhancement just disable this option. Once you disable this option, then if you go back to your edge lighting, it's working again. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.